It's Democracy Day in Nigeria, and in Abuja actually we decided to touch down to the metro station. Tinubu is working, Nigeria is working, only for us to put our trust in Nigeria that very soon everything will be in order. Guess what? Today I decided to go out on the trip with my children, my family, and we are moving from the Abuja metro station behind the World Trade Center. Actually, we just want to explain what is happening in Abuja right now. Most of the time, because of our busy schedule, we've not really been going to places, especially because of school and your work. But today, let's see what Abuja really looks like. Follow me on this ride and see how it's going to go. It's a place to be. So, going straight, then I'm on the elevator. So. See my girl going back. We are in for this. Are you seeing? Wow. Nice to get to know this. Wow. Yeah. So indeed, it's a great time to explore Abuja as the president and
giving this
for free. So some of us have been in Abuja for like 10 years and you don't know that there are places like this in Abuja. All you need to know is the time frame, the timing, and you'll be shocked that you have a relaxing time. Join me on this trip. Going to explore a big time. To roll it, let's go. Are you ready to have fun? Yeah. Are you ready to have fun? Let's go. So we'll move it. Move it. We are going. No private seat, no business class. Everyone is just sitting in the same place. Wow, what a unity, what a family that the president is building. It is working in Abuja. It is working. A very good time to have even people you don't know from different states, from different locations, different tribes, and we're all in the same place. Wow, are you seeing this? It's a place to be. Rush, get your own slot before the end of the day. It's free, practically free. Wow, at this particular time, around 10 a.m. on the dot. Wow. Is it stadium? Wow, can you imagine? Even the train took us to the stadium. We're actually at Wonderland, that magic land. And we are having a stop. Woo, for other set of people to really come in. This is behind the magic land in Abuja, the stadium area. See now. On point and on time. Wow. Wow, can you see? Can you see? The stadium station. We're already heading from the stadium station. Again, movement. Imagine, see this baby self enjoying herself. Oh, yeah, this baby enjoying herself now. Are you seeing? Maximum fun here. So we move again. We move. Heading to the next station. Heading down to Waba. I'm very sure so many of you don't know where Waba is. like me, I spent like 10 years in this place and I don't even know where it's called Kwaba. So today, we will explore where Kwaba is. Stay tuned. So we're at Kwaba 2. Kwaba 2. Yes, Kwaba 2. Wow. So we're already moving from Kwaba 2 to the next station. Next station is Upa. Are you seeing? Everywhere actually in Abuja has development, I must tell you. It's everywhere has development. There's no place that is inside the bush per se like that. Everywhere has development. So, and I must tell you that the best place to really be to have a good return on investment is in Abuja. There's this place, there's still land here. It's just about a call away. Just give us that call and you'll be surprised that you will get a slot for yourself. See, this is just a small portion of the place that we've not even been to in the last 10 years in Abuja. And it's like this, see development now, see development, industrial area, and see, look at what is happening here. Look at what is happening here. Things are really happening in this place. Construction company everywhere. Wow, we're actually at Idu area. And I've passed this place so many times, you know that there are places like this. See Coca-Cola, we have the Coca-Cola bottling company here. We have Julius Berger here as well. See EFCC, imagine the big mansion that they have in this place. This story, what else? Nigeria is really working. People in the diaspora, come down, let's do something together. Come and have a taste of Nigeria in Abuja. It's working. Together we can make it work. Together we can make it better. Are you saying? Do you know that your name is on the plot in Abuja? You have your land here in Abuja. Come and invest here. Come, can you see? Everywhere has development, no door area. Are you see? We stop by in like almost 4 different stations, right? Now 4 to 5 stations, and everywhere has life. Are you see? We are now in Wupa. We're now in Wupa. Wow. Wupa station. Right now we're on our way to Idu train station. Hey, have you heard of Crown Skyline in Idu? Hey, are you seeing what is around? Yeah, I told you the best time to buy is actually now. See, imagine from your house, you just take the train and you're able to get to the airport and then to Abuja Central area. What are you waiting for again that will make you not to invest in it? The time is now. No dolly, no delay, and we don't even have much land again in that place. Buy now when the time is still right. Skyline, Idu, Crown Skyline is the place. Hot cake now. We're already at Idu. So we are at Idu train station already. Do you know that just a drone store is where we have the Crown Skyline? The time, look at it, see. See that power line area? That's directly where Crown Skyline is. I see. This is mighty. Serious. I see the traffic. See the Kaduna Rail. Are you seeing? So look from here. If you have your property in Idu area, it means you can catch your train to Kaduna route, to the central area, to the airport, and catch your flight to anywhere you're going, inside the country or outside the country. Why would you want to go on this not having a plot at Idu train station site? Or why would you want to explore Nigeria, Abuja, not using the train station? The time is now. It's free till December. Rush and catch on the train and explore what Abuja looks like. Are you seeing? Are you seeing already? Idu train station. And do you know, even from Idu straight to Kubwa.
So one interesting thing about Idu train station is that we have a side that actually takes you directly into the Abuja side. When we have the one which is Idu train station area, and we have the other one that takes you towards the Kaduna route. Are you seeing? Do you want to explore? Okay. The next place we are going is Kasenjua. Kasenjua.
Then you say they have like people selling food inside. Uncle J, and you see, you just see Buhari, you just see land like that.
Okay, we know this place that.
See a photo
Do you just want to? You just want to? It's still your job. Wow, we are at international airport. Eh? So fast. So we just dropped from the train. Most of us that are here, we're just here to explore and see what the train looks like. And we're routing from central area, that is from the World Trade Center, to just know what is happening. And now we are live at the airport. Wow. Is it good one?